NASA's Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, is still sending information back to Earth after an incredible 47 years. Recently, it transmitted a signal that has left scientists puzzled and the world on edge. Could this message be a warning from the farthest reaches of space? Is something massive and mysterious heading towards Earth? Stay tuned, because what we're about to uncover might redefine how we see the cosmos and ourselves. Launched on September 5, 1977, Voyager 1 was designed to be humanity's envoy to the outer planets. Equipped with cutting-edge technology for its time, it embarked on a journey to study Jupiter, Saturn, and their moons. But what truly set Voyager 1 apart wasn't just its mission objectives, it was its audacity to go beyond. After completing its primary mission in 1980, Voyager 1 began its long journey into interstellar space. By August 2012, it became the first spacecraft to cross the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence ends and the vastness of interstellar space begins. Let's put this into perspective. Voyager 1 is currently away from Earth. That's so far that a signal traveling at the speed of light, 186,282 miles per second, takes more than 20 hours to reach us. What's truly astonishing is how Voyager 1 has survived. The probe runs on an outdated power source, radioisotope thermoelectric generators that were expected to last only about 5 years. Yet, nearly 5 decades later, Voyager 1 is still operational, albeit with diminishing power. It communicates with Earth using a 23-watt transmitter. To give you an idea, that's about the same power as a refrigerator light bulb. And yet, this little machine has managed to send back groundbreaking data about cosmic rays, interstellar plasma, and magnetic fields. But the recent transmission was something different, something that scientists hadn't seen before. In August 2024, Voyager 1 sent a signal that immediately caught NASA's attention. This wasn't the usual data about cosmic particles or magnetic waves. Instead, the signal contained patterns that were off. To the untrained eye, it might have seemed like noise or interference. But to scientists who've been studying Voyager's transmissions for years, it was clear that this was something deliberate. What could it mean? Was it just a glitch in the aging spacecraft's systems? Or had Voyager 1 detected something unusual in the vast, silent expanse of interstellar space? Theories began to circulate. Could it be a comet, an asteroid, or perhaps a wandering planet? Or was it something more enigmatic, a signal from an advanced civilization or a phenomenon we've never encountered before? To understand the significance of Voyager 1's message, we need to grasp the environment it's currently exploring. Interstellar space isn't as empty as it seems. It's filled with cosmic rays, plasma, and magnetic fields, all remnants of ancient stars and distant galaxies. Voyager 1's sensors are designed to detect subtle changes in this environment. Over the years, it has provided valuable insights into the density of interstellar plasma, confirming that space isn't as barren as we once thought. But this latest signal wasn't just about plasma density or cosmic rays. It hinted at something moving, something massive enough for Voyager 1 to detect despite its primitive sensors. One of the most plausible theories is that Voyager 1 encountered a rogue object, a comet, asteroid, or perhaps a fragment of a distant celestial body. These objects are common in the cosmos, drifting aimlessly through space. But what's unusual is the timing. Voyager 1 has been traveling for 47 years without detecting anything of this nature. Why now? Another possibility is that Voyager 1 sensed a gravitational anomaly. Massive objects like black holes or neutron stars create ripples in spacetime known as gravitational waves. Could Voyager 1 have detected one of these ripples? And then there's the wildcard theory, aliens. Could the signal be a deliberate message from an advanced civilization? While this idea might sound far-fetched, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. After all, Voyager 1 itself carries the golden record, a message from humanity to any extraterrestrial beings that might find it. NASA was quick to investigate. Engineers and scientists pored over the data, looking for clues. They also directed some of the world's most powerful telescopes toward Voyager 1's path, hoping to spot any unusual activity. The official statement from NASA was cautious. They assured the public that there's no immediate danger, but they also acknowledged the mystery. As news of Voyager 1's signal spread, the internet exploded with speculation. Social media platforms were flooded with theories, ranging from plausible to downright bizarre. Some claimed it was a warning, a cosmic heads-up about an impending disaster. Others suggested it was evidence of a hidden alien agenda. Memes, debates, and wild stories turned Voyager 1 into a viral sensation. What makes this story so captivating isn't just the mystery of the signal, it's what it represents. Voyager 1 is a symbol of human curiosity and resilience. It's a reminder of our desire to explore, to understand, and to connect with the universe. The message, whether it's a glitch or a groundbreaking discovery, has reignited interest in space exploration. It's a call to action, urging us to look beyond our immediate surroundings and consider the vast unknown. NASA is continuing its investigation, and the scientific community is watching closely. Meanwhile, Voyager 1 continues its journey, drifting further into the cosmos. The question remains, will we ever fully understand the message it sent? Or will it remain one of the great mysteries of space exploration? As we gaze into the infinite expanse of the universe, Voyager 1 reminds us of one simple truth: the more we learn, the more we realize how much we have yet to discover. Whether this signal is a warning, a coincidence, or a message from the cosmos itself, one thing is certain: it's a story that will continue to inspire us for generations to come.